water hole. I took that fell around back to the water hole. I took that fell around back to the water hole. Yeehaw! It's me, everybody. Howdy. Lil Darky with another Christian hit. Yeah! I took that fell around back to the water hole. I took that grinder to dust and it's audible. I took your 10-gallon hat to some particles. Can't even read what they wrote in my articles. I'm so illiterate, I can't even read a little bit. I keep a band to my hip and I diddle it. Middle kid, I got some siblings. Ratty the strap on the floor and the nibbling. I keep a bat, I keep scoring in my backyard. My daddy fat, he poor, it ain't that hard. My dad Republican, but he live on unemployment. Farming no bring no enjoyment. Kids in my town is afflicted with opiates. Heroin needles, addiction is copious. Never appropriate. Uncle yell about the Soviets taking over his associates. I'm a country boy in my heart. I'm a country boy in these parts. I'm a country boy on my land. I'm a country boy I don't ban. Want some freedom, I'll deliver. Out in Russia, you might shiver. See the moon shine inside my liver. George shot Lenny by the river. Dipping tobacco inside of my lip again, ripping the back off a pack and I stick it and spit it inside of a jar. Get my nicotine, get the fuck out of my town, man. I'm sick of that methamphetamine abusers. We the better men, they losers. The beggars cannot be the choosers. I be posted with my crackers. Some of us blacker, but that ain't a factor. We packing that heat and it's harder than barbecue. I'm more dogs than Scooby-Doo Marvin. Put up a wall and I'll barbecue that way I'm harming you. Hopping it, that's what that carbon is. I can still carry my 38 special, especially for any devilish vessels. My rifle don't trifle on no one inside to be evil. My eagle be taking his life. And that eagle I keep on my Jeep and my Chevy. It fill up my heart till a part of me heavy. The levees, they creak in the plains and the peaks and the valleys. From Georgia to Cali, I'm seeking for destiny. Manifest, definitely can attest. I despise everyone, anyone's ran against one reason or another. Whether northern or southern, I prefer less stubbornness inside the governance. I want my vote to feel it's like another miss. And why they're thinking about us normal citizens. I wonder if there's any time to fit us in. Too busy being self-defense. Everybody's tense. None of these liberals are making any sense. Now there's some Nazis that took up residence. Voted for Donnie and I'm so scared of Ben. What the fuck is the whole country coming to? Rappers and Muslims is dying and gunning too. Police get shot and they doing the killing. Put into this shit, God willing. All of the innocent blood we spilling. Everyone gun on your arm, no kneeling now. Here pop a pill if it's tearing you down.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, then please subscribe or like or comment your feedback. I have been banned from Roblox for 3 days, so I probably won't be making another montage for a while. This montage took hours to make, and I appreciate it to everyone who helped me get all these clips, and thank you to Colonist for the music. I wouldn't have found this without you. Thank you.